Test case file. Residual payment. Now the customer balance is 5 lakhs. Like for example, in this case, customer receives 2 lakhs. Out of 5 lakhs, now customer paid to company 2 lakhs. Now let me understand how to work on this residual payment. The same transaction code F-28. Like document date, company code, so bank account, check deposit, check deposit, account, check deposit. How much value? 2 lakhs. So enter value date, text. Customer receives how much value? 2 lakhs. Account, customer number, account type D. D means customer. Click on process operator tab. So directly go to residual item. So click on residual item. So observe 1 lakh completed, 4 lakhs completed, means 5 lakhs. So, but now we received 2 lakhs. How much pending balance we have? 10 lakh minus 7 lakhs. So 3 lakhs. Mention the remaining value, 3 lakhs. Observe, whenever I mention residual item 3 lakhs, so amount entered, previous page we entered 2 lakhs, system also assigned 2 lakhs, and the difference is 0. In the partial payment, system shows 1 lakh return value, and at the same time 4 lakhs received value, still item shows open item, right? Now let me check the line item. How much value we enter? The pending balance. Always remember, residual item means only pending balance which we mention. And click on document overview icon. Document on menu bar. Simulate. Observe the 5 lakhs split off multiple line items. For this, already we activated document splitting. So still how much pending balance we will receive from customer? Outstanding 3 lakhs. Right. Save. Save. Now check customer ledger. Transaction code. FBL5N. Enter. Execute. Now observe. It shows only the pending balance. It shows only the pending balance. Right? So this is the major difference of partial payment, residual payment. Partial reduce the value but never clear the line item. But in residual payment, reduce the value, clear the line item. The remaining pending balance only, it's generate a separate line item. It generate a separate line item. Clear? So this is the concept of residual payment. Residual